For today's home tip, we're going to talk about things that you can do to a listing. So things you can prepare your home for before it goes live, which won't break the bank, but has a really big impact. I'm holding here magic eraser sheets. I don't know if you've seen these before. They're magic eraser sheets. You can actually break them up, cut them into like smaller sizes. If you haven't seen what a magic eraser is, it's basically to take off scuffs on your walls or floors. It's an easy way to do it. You just take the sponge or you take the sheet, you wet it, scrunch it, and then you wipe off any of the scuffs. Why am I telling you to do this? Well, it saves you tons of money as opposed to painting in your home. Sometimes your home doesn't need a full paint job. All you need to do is get rid of some scuffs on the floor, some scuffs on the wall, and to make the house look brand new. Now, also a little tidbit that don't go too deep into scrubbing that you scrub away all of the paint. I've done that in the past, don't do that, but just enough to clean up the place. So yeah, magic erasers, they're all over the grocery stores. I'm pretty sure you've seen them before, but they do go a long way. And walk around your home with a magic eraser and try to erase away any scuffs you see on the walls or on the floors and baseboards.